Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here as we are getting into week 15. And since we're almost done with the semester, this week is going to be our first, it's going to be a week of review. We're really going to be looking back at these cultures and these regions that we've studied here in the New World, and take a look at those. So, of course, watch this video, look at the suggested schedule and what we have going this week. And as always, if you have any questions, start in the Start Here folder. Let me know if you have any questions, but we'll be going with week 15. We talk about a review and preview and get going in those. And we're going to be talking about elements of culture. We've seen this video before, but please watch it again. Take some notes on it, and then you're going to be filling out this chart on these different aspects of culture and these different cultures or regions that we've studied. Finding one or two pieces of evidence that represents each element of culture for each of these civilizations. Fill out that chart and put it in there, and then we have a discussion board, which basically we're answering which culture or region had the most advanced technology. Post your paragraph and then reply to two of your classmates. So with that, let me know if you have any questions, and I will see some of you on Wednesday, and have a great week. Coming up on the end of the semester. Get caught up. Thanks. Bye.